there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a lymphatic massage using your Gua Sha tool from the Green Goddess set by Estelle. The Gua Sha tool is a traditional Chinese medicine tool used to increase blood circulation and remove toxins. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, and it also helps with renewal and elasticity of the skin. When doing a lymphatic massage, the Gua Sha tool helps apply even pressure. Along with your Gua Sha tool, you're gonna also need a toner to prep the skin. I'm gonna be using the Coco Rosa toner mist. And you're also gonna need an oil, and I'm gonna be using this Oro Rosa facial oil, which is part of the Green Goddess set. When doing the massage, never use the tool perpendicular to your skin. You want to do it as flat as you can against it. Okay, so let's get started. After cleaning your face, you're gonna apply the toner and just press it firmly against your skin to prep it. And next up, we're gonna be using the Oro Rosa facial oil, and you'll need about 4 to 5 drops. You're gonna apply it all over the face and neck, applying light pressure with your hands. Okay, so now first thing we're going to do is warm up this area, which is where the lymphatic drains are, and you're gonna tap it very gently for about 25 to 50 times. Okay, now using this side of the tool, you're gonna start by your collarbone, and then you're gonna drag it up all the way towards your jawline, like this. And you're gonna do it for around 3 to 5 times. And it is a good idea to always wiggle the tool at the end. Now, with this side down, you're gonna place your hand on your sternum between the collarbones, and you're gonna apply a light pressure upwards toward your chin, and then you wiggle. You're going to repeat all of the movements 3 to 5 times. Now we'll start massaging the face, and we're going to be using this side of the tool, and you're going to start from the center of your forehead and towards the hairline. You can go a little lower and do the same movement. Now, using this side of the tool and starting in between the eyebrows, you're gonna work on light strokes up towards the hairline. This is awesome for people that hold tension around their brows. Next, using this side of the tool, you're gonna put your hand over your eye just so that you don't pull the skin, and with it, you're going to make very light pressure movements upwards and towards the hairline. Now, using this side of the tool, we're gonna do our brows, and we're gonna place our fingers above our nose, and then we're gonna go around our brow and then a little upwards at the end towards the hairline. Now, using this edge, we're gonna work the eye area, being always careful since the skin is very delicate here. You're gonna place it on the inner corner of your eye and move through the brow bone towards the outer corner, and then move it towards the hairline in a slight diagonal. Now to do the under eye area, we're going to use the same edge of the tool, and you're going to start in the inner corner and going under the eye towards the outer corner, then over the temple towards the hairline. This works great for dark circles, puffiness, or sagginess in the area. Now using this side of the tool, we're going to work on our cheekbone. You're going to place the tool next to your nose like this, and you're going to move it in an upward motion over the cheekbone and end the movement at the hairline. Now using the same tool edge, now start at the base of your nose and move under the cheekbone and upwards towards the ear. Now to focus a little bit more on the smile lines, you're going to use this side of the tool, and you're going to start right at the cupid's bow and move to the corner of the mouth and then towards your ear. Now using this side of the tool, we're going to do the chin area, and we're going to place it in the middle of our chin, and we're going to move it upwards towards our chewing muscle and give it a little bit of a massage. Finally, using this side of the tool, we're going to place it covering your jaw on both sides, and you're going to hold the skin from your chin as to not pull it, and then we're going to go upwards towards the ear. I like to do one side first so that I can compare how tight my skin looks after giving the massage. Now let's do the whole thing on the other side. And you're done. You can do this massage every day to help your skin feel nice and toned. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to use your facial roller that is also part of the Green Goddess set. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember you can purchase all these products at EsteliBody.com. You can also follow Esteli on Instagram at EsteliBody, and you can follow me at living_Ananda. Thank you and bye.